Don't miss this vehicle. Make a great choice today with this must-have ride. Learn more about this vehicle by contacting the dealership today and complete your driving dreams. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: alloy wheels, power lift gate, remote keyless entry, front wheel independent suspension, four-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control, rear window defroster. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.